It's the end of the second day of Cup Match 2024, and I decided to leave my house at 7:20 or so p.m. and take a walk down to the Somerset Cricket Club field. I can tell that the game is over, but there are still celebrations going on. So I've decided to come and take a peep. Plus, I'm getting some steps in at the same time. The game is over. It's 7:25 p.m. But it actually looks like they're still charging people to go in here. I don't get that, because this young lady seems to be trying to get in and the security guy is giving her a no. But look at all the people that are still hanging around. Well, I thought I was taking a shortcut by coming this way, but this guy on security says that that gate was never an entrance gate. And now I'm having to walk around to one of the other two gates to this venue. So I'm just sitting here. I think I'll sit here for a minute and just see what sights I see. But definitely people are leaving. Not very many people coming at this hour, of course. Just crazy people like me. This is the mayhem of the aftermath of Cup Match after day 2. It is crazy. People just crowd the field and hang around, and they've been drinking all day and partying all day. So, and here's a cousin of mine right here in her Somerset hat. This is my cousin Lisa, and I'm getting her to say hello to me on camera. Hello! Burp, burp. Yes, Somerset! It is so overwhelming in here with all of this noise and all of these people. I can't believe that I used to love all of this when I was younger. It's crazy. I think I'm only going to be able to stay but a few minutes. I don't even see anybody I know, because I think all my age group, they're at home in the comfort of their air-conditioned bedrooms and living rooms. Just look at this craziness. Yes, this is Cup Match in Bermuda. So I came off the field, but it's no better out here. A little bit quieter, but not much quieter. I'm near the exit. I guess that's a sign that I'm on my way out. Is that Neville Grant?
Well, hello, Miss Painter.
How are you? I'm glad to see you got on the right colors.
Oh, absolutely.
Good.
You're doing a blog? That's a nice little camera.
I'm doing a
video.
Yeah. Look at this beautiful Bermuda family I just happened upon.
Happy Cup Match, everybody.
Can I say your name?
Yes, you can.
Mr. Neville Grant and his wife and his 2 kids.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They're leaving like me. I'm overwhelmed. It's 8 o'clock. The game has been over for probably an hour, hour and a half. And all of these cars are still here. And this is just one of the parking lots. There are 3. Whew, crazy. Cars are parked everywhere. Every possible street, everywhere in Somerset. So I'm on my way home now, and at least my hips aren't hurting anymore. When I first started out, both my right and my left hip were feeling a little something something. But right now, they're okay. So that little walk was good. All you can do at a time like this is sup up the sweat and eat watermelon. A little stroll down to Somerset Cricket Club, walked around the field for a little bit, and back home, racked up 3,396 steps. Yay!